Welcome to StatTree. StatTree is designed to help you determine the most appropriate statistical test for your research question or hypothesis. Whether you are trying to determine the best way to describe your data, how to run a particular statistical test, or how to calculate effect sizes, StatTree should be your first stop. Now press Start. StatTree provides demonstrations for basic and advanced users. Basic users will be presented with demonstrations of descriptive statistics in Excel and introductory inferential statistical procedures using the menus in SPSS. Included in this version are shortcuts from these basic procedures to the demonstrations of these same procedures in the Advanced section, including demonstrations in Julia, Python, R, SAS, SPSS, and Stata. Also in this version is a test index where users can navigate directly to specific statistical tests. For advanced users, StatTree provides demonstrations of more advanced procedures, including nonparametric statistics, factorial, multivariate, and repeated measures designs in Julia, Python, R, SAS, SPSS, and Stata. Demonstration pages in StatTree also include the scripts for these procedures in code appropriate to the statistical analysis program. The scripts of code can be copied, pasted, and edited for your use. StatTree also provides sample output for each of these statistical procedures, as well as examples of how to write results from this output in APA style. Before you begin, there are a few things you need to know. First, what are your objectives? Are you summarizing data on one variable, or are you trying to test a hypothesis? If you are testing a hypothesis, is the hypothesis a comparative type or a relational type? You will also need to know how many variables are specified in the hypothesis, what type of variable for each variable in your hypothesis, and how many values on any categorical variables that may be in your hypothesis. StatTree will guide you through those questions and demonstrate how to use the tools at your disposal to answer your most important research questions. All data used for demonstrations in StatTree are fictitious and based upon a survey of general interest to a wide audience. All tests in StatTree utilize the same dataset, and each statistical procedure uses the same variables across all statistical analysis programs, so that you can compare the scripts, outputs, and reports. New to this version of StatTree are calculators for generating common effect sizes for comparative statistical tests using the information that you provide. StatTree is optimized to work on any device. StatTree is your go-to for answering your questions about what and how to run and report on statistical tests. Also browse StatTree Help. In Help are demonstrations of common tasks associated with data analysis.